Mind the curb.
Oh,
You know, for a big-time super spy, you sure get knocked out easy.
that's not true. Take it back. Take it back, I said.
First, let me ask you something. How many eggs should I eat to get enough energy to plow your wife?
3 should do it. What?
Thanks for the 5 Gs.
We're almost there. It's just another block.
Hookers! What are you fine-ass ladies doing out here all alone?
Selling our bodies.
Sold! Get in!
No, don't get in. Now, we're going to the hospital, and that's...
Wait a minute, this is my life. I'm Steve.
Yeah, you make a good point. Okay, we'll switch faces just as soon as I fix this lamp.
What's wrong with it?
It's broken. Shouldn't have hit him in the face. That's my face. It's Christina Aguilera's larynx.
Oh, get it away from me!
What's going on? Ninja! Ninja! Now let's celebrate.
Hey! Oh, hell no!
Now you done it. Yeah! He's gonna take my necklace away. Franny, I just need a little time to think. Maybe you do too, huh? Now, we both have a little time to think. Thinking's good. Thinking's what rational people do.
I mean, where will you live? This affects everyone.
Whoa, what's this? Is the sidewall cracking?
Shouldn't be. I just got these. Sex pun! You're alive! Except you're...
You completely boned me!
Well, usually you debone fish, so I did good, huh? What did I do?
You did it, Stan! You're a hero!
I am? The way you picked yourself up and somehow got everyone to go back to their dorms? Amazing work.
Hi, I'm the chancellor of this university. I'm also Olympic gold medalist Mark Spitz.
Oh my God, Mark Spitz!
Easy, child. I'd like to bestow upon you our highest honor, my mustache.
Achoo! I'm still unconscious, aren't I?
One more level to go.
Now it's time to say goodnight, Steve. Daniel?
Oh, good night, Steve.
Daniel, no.
I'm sorry, where are my manners? Good night, Puddin'.
For the love of... Hit him! Hit him in the head with the shotgun! You made that an uncomfortable experience for me, Daniel. Didn't have to be. Should have been fun.
Now I see it. Now I'm seeing it.